What's up, YouTubians? Gary with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another day and another video of the 1960 Volksrod Baja Franken Beetle build. I know I told you guys the next video we're gonna jump on the doors. Now, if you see, we've got two different doors here, right? That's not what we're doing today. I know, I promised you we would do it the next video. However, there's one thing I've been itching to do. Something I bought over a year ago for this car that we still haven't got around to putting on yet. That's what I would like to do today. So what is it? Well, here's a picture. I know, it's kind of, there's a reason why. So let's just dive into it. What do you say? All right, here we go. We have a drag wing to put on the back of the Sickxty. Why? I'll tell you later, but I think it's going to be a pretty cool addition to the car, to the overall, I don't know, the overall look that I'm going for, right? We got Baja, so it's jacked up, Volksrod stretched out in the front, and then drag wing off the back. I mean, why not? It's cool, right? Again, I've had this thing for like over a year sitting back there. This is not sponsored, by the way. I paid full price for this. But what we're going to do is go ahead and go through how to put it together, what it comes with, and how we're going to install it on the car. So let's get over here. So first thing is you get some stickers. Okay, it's worth the price in gold right there to get stickers, right? So Big Wig Race Cars. He did this one. This one actually has dimple dies across the front. In the envelope that he sends you, you get the stickers, business card, get instructions on basically how this is going to go together. You get the rivets and then a center mounting point. So first things first, here are your side pieces. I actually marked, this is a bolt-on kit. This is not a fastener kit. So I actually marked on the protective cover here 4 mounting spots equally distributed across. So we'll drill out those 4 holes, and then this basically is going to go right back here and get mounted on the back of the car. Now this white is just a protective film. So what we need to do is go ahead and we're going to peel up some of this so when it gets fastened together, none of that's there, but we're going to leave the protective covering on for the most part. So first things first, let's go ahead and get these mounting holes drilled on both side flanges. We'll go ahead and get this thing riveted together, and then I want to show you how we're going to mount it to the car. So let's get crack-a-lacking on this, guys. Pretty easy so far, right? I mean, I just kind of center punched the holes, drilled them out, used a countersink to kind of deburr them a little bit. But there we go, we got our mounting holes done. So now what we need to do is go ahead and get the sides of this mounted to the side of that so we can actually make this thing go on the car. Then we'll show you how we're going to mount it to the car. So first things first, we actually need to go ahead and peel up this plastic edge here a little protective coating. So we'll peel that back up to here, and we'll go ahead and peel this on both sides down as well. That way we don't have the protective coating pinched in between here and then have to try to trim it and it'll look like crap. So let's get this thing mounted. Oh, those two go together. Well, these here rivets, all you really need is a rivet gun. That's it. Let's get it done. Well, that was really simple. I mean, you know, put some pop rivets in. One of the things I did, as you notice, I'd kind of get this one started, get that one started, then kind of fit the rest of them, make sure everything was in line, then go ahead and tighten them all up. Kind of helps prevent you from having misaligned holes or whatever. So I got the Sickxty turned around. So here we go. Now, when the wing goes on, you want that bottom wing right around here because it has a secondary bracket that goes on. And this kind of mounts underneath like that. So you kind of want it towards the bottom of this lip, and that way your vents still help push air back here. Again, I've got a wide open back area, so it doesn't really matter. My engine will get plenty of air. So let me go see if I can grab a hand from somebody to hold that big puppy, and then we'll go ahead and show you how we're gonna get this thing mounted.
So heavy.
It is so heavy, it's just awkward. All right, down a little bit. Should be right about there. That looks pretty level. Enough. Thanks.
Yeah, it's like dead even now. Still even.
Still even?
Well, this is even, but it really doesn't look even. Right. Trust the level.
What do you mean it doesn't look even? Here, I got this side. What do you think? It looks pretty even on both sides. Here, hold it again. Right about there?
Yep. Good.
Now, that outer part's got to come out. It's not perfect. Okay, so this has to come all the way out like that. Dang, gone. Well, thanks to Levi, we got it on. So here's how it looks. I'm liking that. I don't know why. I just absolutely love it. It's so sweet. All right, so what we did is we kind of went off the bottom here on both sides, and I made sure the car was level, made it level, like side to side and all that, right? But at the same time, another way you can get this pitched so it's proper front to back is you actually move these in and out, and that's what helps give it the pitch. And according to the instructions, you want this pitched pretty much level with your running boards, right? So I made sure it was, the chassis was level front to back, side to side, right? According to the heater channels and the body. And then that way we could get that mounted on there. So there we go. No, we're not leaving self-tappers in there. We're actually gonna do what they call riv nuts. If you've never seen these before, these are little inserts, right? So basically it's threaded on the inside and it's like a big rivet. So you use this specific tool to insert this, flare it like a rivet, then you can use your hardware to go ahead and pop it in there. Now I've kind of picked up odd and end pieces over time. So I've got, you know, M4, M5, M6. I think I got a little bit of M8 in there. Got different lengths, got black, got, you know, zinc coated, whatever. So we got plenty of different kinds in there. But I wanted to use the self tappers just to get a quick in place instead of trying to mark it. And you kind of get it, right? You don't want to sit there and mark it and then try to drill it and then put it together. It's easier to just throw a quick little self tapper in there, call it done. Then we can take it off, drill everything, put them in. Let's just quit jibber jabbering. I'll just get to it and I'll show you. Not gonna lie. It was really easy. I didn't expect it really to be difficult, right? I mean, it's not heavy, but I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. So we use those fasteners. Looks nice. It really does. Same thing here. Got your 4 fasteners. And those are a M6 by 12, which has plenty of bite in the thread. Now, the one thing that did not get recorded is that little bracket goes right there, and it comes with the 2 rivets, and that gives you a center support hole for the bolt. And without even the bolt there, just that center support, this thing's really freaking solid. Really solid. I think part of that is this down angle right here. Some of you guys may ask, what's this little cutout for? That was, I guess, one of the original designs way back when. He cut that out to be able to fit the parachute. I don't know. So why the race wing? I mean, why not? Frickin' thing just looks cool, right? I mean, how do you go wrong with that? The other thing is there's actually going to be a purpose behind this. So normally on Bajas, you would set the oil cooler up top, either on a roof rack or a big scoop or something like that, right? Well, we got a race wing. Motor's hanging out here and back. Why not cut this out and mount the oil cooler right to this? Keeps everything nice and clean. The lines will go up around, come back, tuck in, and go right back to the engine. That is kind of my thinking on it. So will I need to brace it a little bit? Maybe we may need to run a brace, you know, from this center point out to each corner. We may have to run something from here down to a cage that I really don't want to run. I don't know. We've got a lot to really go on, right? And kind of figure out later down the road, which of course I'll make sure I take with you. Trust me, you're coming with me for this. We're gonna make progress on this year. I'm telling you. Wing is on. Nice thing is we got some quick little Allen bolts. The whole thing comes off, makes it easy. We got doors, and I'm telling you, this thing's gonna be ready for primer here real soon. I finally got the part that I've been waiting for the doors. That's why I did this one first. Finally got the part in. I really hope my idea works. If it works, this thing's gonna be freaking cool. We'll just kind of go from there. So anyway, that's it. Race wing on the car. Looking good. I love it. Absolutely love it. Man, that gonna be, you know what? Screw it, I don't even care. Let's go ahead and peel it off. Oh, those dimple dies look so cool. There will be a slight dimple die theme to the car, in case you didn't know already. All right, guys, I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for sticking around. Make sure you check out all the links below. We've got Amazon affiliate, we've got merch, we've got the website, we've got other favorite friends to follow. Well, not so much favorite, just other great YouTube channels to follow as well. So make sure you do subscribe, like, comment, things like that, because remember, a portion of all proceeds to the channel does get donated to the local humane society every year. So without you guys, I can't donate. And we gotta save the animals, right? So many things in life that are less fortunate than we are. Always gotta find a way to give back, right? So thank you. I appreciate you. Till the next time, be kind to one another and be good.